These 5 small UK campers are rewriting the rules of comfort in 2026. Let's jump straight in. At number 5, we have the Bailey ADAMO 60-2, priced at £76,000. This camper is a great example of how simple design can still feel modern and stylish. When you see it from the outside, you immediately notice the clean body shape, the smooth edges, and the forward base, which gives you a very steady driving experience. If you're someone who likes long road trips or peaceful weekend getaways, this camper will feel right at home. Once you step inside, the first thing that hits you is the brightness. Bailey has always been good with natural light, but the 60-2 takes it to another level. The skylight above the lounge, the wide windows, and the open layout make it feel bigger than its actual size. It's a 2-person camper, but it doesn't feel cramped at all. The twin sofas give you a lot of space to stretch your legs, relax, read a book, or enjoy a nice cup of tea while watching the view outside. And converting the sofa into a bed is easy. No complicated setup, no heavy lifting. Within a minute, you can turn the lounge into a cozy double bed. This is a big plus for people who want simple living without unnecessary steps. The kitchen is very well arranged. You get an oven, grill, hob, fridge, and a deep sink. The countertop space is enough for making simple meals or even larger dishes if you enjoy cooking on the road. The storage areas are placed perfectly so everything stays organized. This is one of those kitchens where you don't need to move things around just to make room. Now, the washroom at the rear is a big advantage. Many small campers have bathrooms that feel tight, but the ADAMO 60-2 gives you a proper shower, a toilet, and enough room to move. It's not huge, but it's definitely more comfortable than average. Another strong point is the heating and insulation. Bailey designs their vans for all year travel, so even if you're camping in early spring or late autumn, the inside stays warm and cozy. Overall, the ADAMO 60-2 is balanced, simple, and very practical for couples or solo travelers. Coming in at number 4, we have the Elldis Whirlwind GT 115, priced at £69,300. This one is perfect for people who want something lightweight, fuel-efficient, and stress-free to drive. If you're new to campers, this is the kind of model that will make you feel confident on the road. On the outside, the 115 looks compact and neat. You don't get bulky edges or an oversized body. This helps with fuel efficiency and overall handling. Inside, the lounge feels very welcoming. The seats are soft but supportive, and the design is simple but charming. It's the kind of space where you can sit for hours without feeling uncomfortable. The windows are positioned nicely, giving you great views during the day. If you enjoy stopping in scenic spots and just taking in nature, this camper makes that experience even nicer. The kitchen in the Whirlwind GT 115 is straightforward but surprisingly capable. You get everything you need for cooking: a proper cooker, fridge, sink, and storage for food and dishes. For a small camper, it gives you more than enough to prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The washroom is compact, but Elldis made it very functional. Everything is easy to access, the lighting is good, and the layout makes sense. It's not a luxury washroom, but it definitely does the job. What really makes the Whirlwind GT 115 stand out is the overall simplicity. There are no confusing digital panels or complicated systems. Everything is easy to understand. You can learn the whole camper in a day. For people who don't want a big learning curve or heavy maintenance, this is a top choice. And of course, the price is very fair for what you get. Now we move on to number 3, the SWIFT Voyager 505, priced at £71,400. And this camper brings a lot of excitement to the list. SWIFT always delivers great build quality, and the Voyager 505 continues that tradition. From the outside, it looks modern and strong. The design is smooth, the graphics are clean, and the build feels solid. But the real magic happens when you walk inside. The U-shaped lounge is the highlight of this camper. It feels big, open, and extremely comfortable. You can easily seat family or friends, play games, eat meals, or just stretch out and relax. And when it's time to sleep, that same lounge transforms into a large bed that's perfect for a good night's rest. The kitchen setup is one of the best in any small camper. The fridge is large enough for long trips, there's plenty of lighting, the counter space is generous, and the storage is excellent. You can cook almost anything in this kitchen without feeling stuck. SWIFT clearly designed this layout with real travel use in mind. One of the biggest advantages in the Voyager 505 is the washroom. Unlike many compact campers, SWIFT includes a separate shower area. This means you don't need to worry about the whole bathroom getting wet when you shower. It's cleaner, more comfortable, and feels more like a real home shower. Storage space is another win. SWIFT uses every inch wisely. You get overhead lockers that are deep and strong, underseat storage that's easy to reach, and shelves placed in convenient spots. You don't get that cluttered feeling that some small campers have. For couples, small families, or anyone who wants a comfortable long-trip camper, the Voyager 505 is an excellent choice. It's premium, practical, and roomy for its size. That's why it earns spot number 3. Now we enter the premium level with number 2, the AUTOSLEEPERS Nuevo Plus, priced at £91,900. This is the most luxurious model on the entire list, and the moment you step in, you see the difference. The Nuevo Plus feels like stepping into a boutique apartment. The colors, the materials, the lighting, everything looks elegant. AUTOSLEEPERS are known for high-quality workmanship, and this model proves it. The side sofas create a bright, open living room with lots of comfort. You can sit, relax, eat, watch TV, or work on your laptop very comfortably. The kitchen is a major selling point. You get a full oven, microwave, a big fridge, and lots of counter space. If you enjoy cooking, this is the camper for you. You can prepare full meals without feeling cramped. The washroom is another highlight. It has a separate shower, premium fittings, and a spacious layout. The lighting is warm and relaxing, and the whole room feels clean and modern. It's one of the best washrooms in any small motorhome. On the road, the Nuevo Plus is quiet and smooth. The insulation keeps out road noise and weather changes. Whether you're driving on motorways or country lanes, this camper stays stable and comfortable. If you want a small camper that feels expensive and delivers a luxury experience, this one is hard to beat. And now we reach number 1 on our list, the AUTOTRAIL FLINE F60, priced at £76,000. This camper stands at the top because it offers the best mix of value, modern design, comfort, and practicality. It's small enough for easy driving, but big enough to feel open inside. The F60 is built on the Ford cab, which gives you a driving experience that feels more like a large SUV than a motorhome. This makes it perfect for beginners and experienced travelers alike. Turning, parking, and navigating narrow roads become much easier. Inside, the F60 offers a bright and stylish lounge. The windows are large, letting in lots of natural light. The seating is comfortable and perfect for relaxing in the evenings. When you convert the lounge into a bed, the sleeping space feels cozy and supportive. The kitchen is well equipped with a big fridge, good counter space, and all the cooking essentials. You can easily prepare meals for trips of any length. The storage is neat and convenient. The washroom is one of the best features of the F60. It feels impressively spacious for a compact camper with a great shower area, good lighting, and smart storage. AUTOTRAIL designed it very well, making it ideal for daily use. What makes the F60 the number 1 camper for 2026 is the balance. It's modern without being complicated, comfortable without being expensive, compact without feeling small. It's perfect for weekend trips, long journeys, and even full-time mobile living. It simply does everything right. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this list and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which camper was your favorite. I'll see you in the next video.